Hello everyone, I'm Ayse and I'm 28 years old. I'm from Turkey. I will be volunteer in Youth Center for 1 year and let me show you around. I choose Austria because the nature so impressed me and I really want to try to live in different country in Europe. I think it gaining more confidence and more different objectives. It's very important for young people, and that's why this European Union project is very big opportunities to learn more for life and to gain more confidence. I was working in inspection company in Turkey for almost 4 years, and I realized that I need to do something new and gain more experience and make an impact for people's life, and that's why I want to go to different country.